Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a 2D of gear in AutoCAD software. It's very easy. You can draw it in AutoCAD. So before going to start, I'm requesting everybody. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. So let's going to start. First, I'm taking the circle and I'm taking the units of circle is 10. And also taking another circle and sketching a circle from the center, and it will be radius 8, and taking a line sketch, or I can take a rectangle, okay, up to here. Then I'm going here and taking a trim, right button click, then trim it and trim it, then escape from the keyboard and uh, selecting this one. Another work I want to taking trim again and also trim this one, sorry, uh, selecting this one and delete from the keyboard. Now here, first I'm selecting this one and going here and taking the polar array and click on the center. Now see, and I'm taking this one is items 10. No, it will be 8 is better. 8, then close it. See, after that I'm selecting this one and delete from the keyboard. See, now going here and selecting the trim, right button click, then trim this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now the gear is done. Then escape from the keyboard. Then I'm going to circle again and drawing a circle here which will be the 4, and I'm taking another circle which will be the 5, and going here and taking a rectangle, sketch a rectangle up to here. Okay, okay, done. Better. So going here and trim is taken, right mouse click and trim this one, this one, this one, see, also this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, done. Then this one. Skip on it. Now the gear is done. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, I'm requesting everybody, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and you will get the more videos if you press the bell icon. So to